लो भाई आ गया तो छा गया. It's a Tracer 9 GT, 3 cylinders, 900 cc, new arrival in Yamaha Motors, Al Yusuf.
Only one color.
Wow, it's awesome, looks awesome. The price is only 58,000 and 3,000 accessories for free. Beautiful, looks amazing.
58,000.
58,000, yeah.
Under 53.
Yeah, it's fine. So whoever want to pay 58,000, he can pay 900 more.
Sure, sir. Yeah.
Maybe I'll get one this. Zabardast bike hai. 58,800 ki hai. New, brand new. Al Yusuf Motors, Dubai mein. 3 cylinder, 4 stroke, of course, yeah.
115 horsepower.
That was the old days actually when we got 2 strokes, you know.
And it's coming CP3.
Yeah.
The
CP3,
glass
okay.
coming up
Yeah.
down.
Very
It
nice.
has 3 Moody.
Okay. Very nice features. So electric suspension. Wow. Amazing. It looks amazing.
And the weight for the bike is 215. The tank.
Beautiful. The clearance is very nice, you know. Like I really like the clearance
The exhaust
from
is
the
coming
ground.
down, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
The tank is
Catalyte
very-
is there. It's same
17
like MT7, you know. The silencer is down. Yeah. Beautiful.